Hello guys, you're welcome to the Lazy Traffic Sniper review. Alright, so my name is Iken from C7onlinemarketingmasters.com. Okay, so this wonderful product put together by someone that I follow, someone that has mentored me, Jono Armstrong. Alright, so I'm a student of Jono Armstrong and Ministry of Freedom. Alright, so this is a brand new solution for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. A brand new solution for finding and monetizing what your free buyer traffic. So what you stand to gain from this awesome product is it maximizes all the avenues that you need in generating your traffic, and you do what you convert this traffic for money, that you convert it to a money making avenue. All right, so by Jono Armstrong. So, and right now I am in the members area of this particular product, as I'll be taking you around the members area into everything you're going to see from the members area, right? It promises to be quite exciting and interesting at the same point in time. So, if this is something that you would love to go from, I want you to stick with me as I would show you around the members area, because I already got this product. And if you wouldn't want to be missing out on any of my review videos or my bonus tutorials, I just want you to click on that subscribe button over there down and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you won't have to be missing out on my bonus tutorials and my product review, because I'm a product reviewer and an affiliate marketer in this niche. All right, so let's go over to what you stand to gain from this product. Number one, I have my awesome bonuses which I have put up together. I've gathered it together from one of the super top affiliates in the world, Jono Armstrong. And if you get this product from me by clicking on the link below the description of this video, you get all the awesome bonuses. So before I talk about what you stand to see in the members area, I want to just hover around awesome and insane bonus bundles that you'll be getting from this product. The number one bonus tutorials is you get paid traffic profit. Get paid traffic profit. That's the number one bonus tutorial put up together by Jono Armstrong. All right, so the number two bonus tutorial, which is valued at almost 46 around $47, it's you access 40 HQ lead magnets put up together by also Jono Armstrong. The bonus number two, I will have the bonus number three. It's email marketing tips for higher conversions. Email marketing tips for higher conversions. And the bonus number four is the Polaris, that is access Jono's Polaris Pro. And the number five, it's as I've told you that I am a student of the Ministry of Freedom put together by Jono Armstrong. So he has given me the awesome special bonuses from himself to you. I has given it to me. I have access to all these bonuses. Okay, so if you wouldn't want to miss out on all of these bonus offers from Jono Armstrong, there is a link below the description of this video. Just want you to go over to that link and just click on that link. All right, so that's all about that. And there is something I do not want you to miss about this awesome product. There is a countdown time, and as you can see, it's just 6 days, 18 hours, 17 minutes, and couple of seconds, and this page will go down, and my bonus offers and everything will just go down. And I don't want you to miss out on this my bonus offers. So what you do is, for the early birds, the action takers, you have to take action now by clicking on any of this link below that says click here to secure a copy and your bonuses. You can also see it again, click here to secure a copy and your bonuses. Okay, and from there you get this awesome product and the bonuses. So let me take you to what is lazy traffic sniper all about? So this is a brand new solution, as I've said, for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. So the system solves two crucial problems, all right? So getting real buyers and turning them into profits. Wow. So number one, buyer traffic, that it leverages a powerful but untapped network of over 300 million hungry consumers, all right? So and all that are making money from it, okay? Now let me just briefly take you over to the members area. Let's see what you see from the members area. So as you can see over here is my dashboard, and you can see introduction to lazy traffic sniper, where you have an overview like this, and affiliate marketing and the free traffic too. And you have your getting started, whereby you can see how you can just use Quora. You use so Quora, it's also an information based platform, all right, where you can get everything answered. So it shows you how to maximize your Quora and just use it to making money. So here you have to creating content, you have the affiliate links, that is, and redirecting traffic, more traffic, conclusion, and these are the awesome bonuses also from Jono Armstrong and upgrades. Okay, so if this is just what you want, how you can learn how to use get the lazy traffic sniper, get this lazy traffic sniper right now. Just be an action taker. Don't miss out from this sales traffic solution that makes you up to $300 per day, right? On autopilot, you get all your money links in front of 300 plus million hungry buyers for traffic. All right, so you can say that the clock down, it's already moving fast. And let's go over to the prices and the upsells. So you get this product for a front end, that for the front end, the lazy traffic sniper, you get it at around $12. Okay, 12.95 dollars. So at $12 you just get the flat rate, or you get everything. You access the powerful lazy traffic sniper software and the training modules as I've showed you. All right, so you have your upsell one, the lazy traffic sniper pro, and down there you can see there you have your upsell to the lazy traffic sniper silver. You have your upsell 3, the lazy traffic sniper gold. You have your lazy traffic sniper platinum. All right, so we'll briefly talk about the benefits, okay, of getting this product. Here are some the key benefits that you may be interested in getting. Number one, brand new all-inclusive traffic solution for 2021. Okay, you siphon traffic from an untapped source of over 300 million monthly buyers. You set and forget method for permanent traffic, zero maintenance required, no paid ads, no product creation, 100% beginner friendly. All right, even it's for just newbie, no tech, you don't really need any of those things, all right, for you to use it. So be an action taker today to get bonuses and a copy of your lazy traffic sniper. All right, so and once again you can see that the time is just going, and it's going speedily, just 6 days. All right, now if you get this product from the warrior plus, after getting it, after your payment, you should see access affiliate bonuses down there, and by clicking on it you just get all of the bonuses. So once again, I want to thank you for taking the time to check out my review and my bonuses. Okay, I'm committed to your success. My name is Ikim, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, and hit on the notification bell. So from c7onlinemarketingmasters.com, you can go over to your c7onlinemarketingmasters.com, where you can access basically tutorials and everything that you need to know to make money online. So I hope to see you on the inside, right? Stay safe, guys.